Welcome to this lecture based on preposition by with. These prepositions we are going to discuss. By denotes the agent or doer. With denotes the instrument with which anything is done. Means by is used when doer of the action is given, means before doer of the action we can use by, and with is used before anything that is used by the doer of the action to finish the action. For example, Ravan was killed by Ram with an arrow. Here, the action of killing was done by Ram. So, Ram, in this sentence, Ram is doer of the action. So, before Ram, by has been used with an arrow. Ram used an arrow to kill Ravan. It means an arrow, this instrument, this thing has been used by the doer of the action to finish the action. So before doer of the action we have to use preposition by, and the thing that is used by doer of the action to complete the work, before that thing we have to use with. He beat the dog with a stick. Here doer of the action is he. He beat the dog. The doer of the action used a stick to do the action of beating. So here you find that a stick, before that with has been used. By is used in future tense to express the time limit, not later than. Another use of by is in future tense we use by to show a time limit, and the action that is indicated that should not cross that time limit. Before that or till that time the action should be done, not later than this, that not later than that time. I shall reach there by 5 o'clock. Here I shall reach there by 5 o'clock. It means not later than 5 o'clock. On 5 o'clock or before 5 o'clock I shall reach there, but not later than 5 o'clock. With also means the following: in the company or presence of. With has another meaning, means in other sense also with is used when we want to show in the company of or presence of, we can also use with to give this sense. For example, I came to Delhi with a friend, means in the with a friend means in the company of a friend. Agreement or support. With is also used to show agreement or support. For example, are you with us on this issue? It means do you support us on this issue. Reason. With is also used to show reason. She trembled with fear. Here the she trembled, reason of trembling, fear. So to show reason we also use with. Opposition. To show opposition we can also use with. I had an argument with my landlord. So argument with, here with shows opposition. So in this video lecture we have studied preposition by and with in detail. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video we will study other prepositions. Thank you so much.